Hi guys, so step by step how to sell products online. I've been doing quite a few videos recently, and I've had a few people ask me, yeah, I understand what affiliate marketing is and drop shipping is and all these different businesses, but what do I do? What the hell do I actually do? So I'm going to explain that today for you. Okay, so one of the most important things you got to realize is you can't sell to a cold audience. If you just start trying to pitch to a cold audience, you're not going to get any sales. So the most important thing you need to do is have a warm audience, or an audience that trusts you. There's a couple of ways you can do that. You can either do it organically, or you can do it by actually running paid ads. So if you want to do it organically, the way you do it is you look at any platform that actually has an organic reach. Like Facebook Live, for example. I can do a Facebook Live, in Facebook's algorithm will actually show that to 10, 20, 30 people, whereas if I just do a video, the reach is going to be a lot less. So the algorithm actually favors lives over just putting a general video on Facebook. So that's the first platform. You can't go past TikTok. If you can actually, I mean, TikTok's not my thing, but if you can actually jump on TikTok and you can actually, do videos and get some interest, which is supposed to be quite easy on TikTok because the organic reach is so good. And the reason why that is because there's more people online than what there is content. It's all about that ratio. A while ago, if you went to Instagram and you put content on Instagram, well, a lot of people would see it. But now we put it on Instagram, the organic reach isn't very much. So the reason why you need to focus on, if you're going to do it organically, you're not going to pay for ads. You need to use either Facebook Live, Instagram Live, LinkedIn Live, TikTok. You can even do live videos on TikTok. They go viral very quick if you have something catchy, and try and keep the same theme. Okay, so if you're going to sell, whatever you're going to sell, the actual audience that you build should be generally around that. So it's kind of a niche that you're kind of hitting. For example, I'm doing a lot of business videos. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be actually putting links in for people to go to a digital program, and also other programs where I get a small commission, large commission in some cases, when people actually click on that link. So what I'm doing is you're creating videos and you're building this audience up. You can't sell to a cold audience. You can't just put links out there and expect people to click on them. You have to basically build that trust up with people who actually want to potentially buy. If you want to fast track this and not have to go through all of the headaches of doing organically, then you can do that. Put some money in and do some paid ads. Try them out. But when you build this audience around this topic, then as people get to know you time and time again, then you can start putting links in there. And when people click on those links, you're gonna get commissions. So what you'll do is you'll actually use all of these different platforms to create an audience. And then at the end of all, you'll have one platform where you will gather all of those people, like a Facebook group or even your personal profile, because that's got quite a good organic reach. And then you can go on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and point everyone back to that place, whether that's that Facebook group or YouTube channel. And that's where you'll actually monetize it. That's where you'll actually put the links in for people to actually buy stuff. So it's not that hard. I mean, attention is money these days. It's worth a lot of cash. It's a new currency. That's what people say. So if you actually, if you build up that audience and you have 10,000, 100,000 people in, say, a TikTok account, that can be monetized. You can even sell that account to someone else to monetize it if you just want to make a quick buck, and you can do it on TikTok. So that's basically the start of it. So it's not hard to sell things online, but you need to build that audience up first. If you don't build an audience up, you can't sell to a cold people who don't know you or don't trust you. They need to see your face, they need to know what you stand for, they need to understand, what it's all about. And then if you get on and do videos around that particular topic, it can be anything. It can be learn to play the guitar, it can be cooking, it can be business like I'm doing. And I'll focus a lot of my videos around how money's made in business and, strategies like that. So my products that I'll be, selling to people will be business orientated. So that's basically, how you can actually start making money. But you've got to start connecting with people. If you don't make that connection with people, then you're not gonna, you're not gonna get anywhere, because what will happen is you'll start trying to sell to people who don't really know you, and when you do that, unfortunately, it's just people just won't trust you, they just won't buy off you. So it's really important you build that trust up, and you have some consistency. If you don't have that consistency, it's not going to work. Okay, just going to wave to a few people. Hi Ian, hi Greg, how are you doing? Guys, if you do see this video and you like it, please put a like or a love or a thumbs up or whatever in that thing, because it really helps with my organic reach. So I'll show you there's a bit of snow recently on the mountains. I know I keep doing that, but I just love the view. So yeah, that's basically how you can sell products online. You build up an audience, and once you build that audience, you channel them all through to one channel. I mean, a YouTube channel is a really good way to do it. If you actually channel everyone to a YouTube channel or Facebook group, which is what I'm doing, and then you can obviously sell them products, services, whatever you want. But it's all about that connection and actually having a whole load of people who will actually watch your videos, connect with you, understand what you're doing. Hi, Saidat, how are you doing there, darling? If you can put in a thumbs, oh, you just done that, thanks very much. Yeah, like the videos, it really helps my organic reach. So yeah, if you want to build up an audience, I'm about to finish this video, so you'll have to go back and watch it. My next video I'm going to start shooting in a second is the difference between good debt and bad debt, because once you actually start putting that money into your bank and money starts rolling in from products and services, what do you do with that money? The last thing you want to do is keep it, and I'll tell you why in the next video. So thanks very much for watching. Stay on this channel, stay on my Facebook page. I'll be doing my next video in the next few seconds. Thanks guys.